Hello, Bill here. Here to tell you about a new tool that I've gotten. It's called the Knotters tool. Comes in pretty handy whenever you're doing Turk's heads knots, any kind of knot that you have to tighten up. It's just basically a marlin spike. This one here is anodized aluminum. A little place for lanyard to be put on it. I made this one to put on there. It's got the knurled handle on it. Makes it real easy to hold on to, real comfortable in the hand to use. Comes in very handy. Point's not too sharp, so it doesn't cut into your cord whenever you're trying to get underneath there to get a bite on a piece of cord. Also, good thing about this one here, the end will come off. Inside, you've got 3 different sizes of fids. You've got your 550, 325, and then you've got one for your micro cord, which comes in pretty handy if you're going to be doing a lot of lacing. All of it just stores right inside. Nice, out of the way. That way you've always got them right there with you. Got a handy little pocket clip. You can just clip it into your pocket. Clip it onto anything that you have around to keep it in place. Very handy little tool. Like I said, if you're going to be getting into like Turk's head knots, snake knots, comes in very handy for doing those. Anything where you always having to tighten down knots, the diamond knots, comes in very handy for all of those. Get them through Mr.Coop, Coop's Crafty Corners. You can check him out. Excellent prices, very good customer service, great guy. Go check those out. Also, check out his group on Facebook, Swampville Craftables. As always, you can check us out, Paradise Paracord. But as for this, very handy tool. I'd suggest anybody to get one, especially if you're a serious paracorder. It's a must-have tool. I don't know how I've went so long without one, but I'm glad I finally did break down and get it. It's my go-to tool now. I've been using it for all kinds of stuff. Doing Turk's heads, star knots, globe knots. It's real easy. They can get up underneath the cord, tighten it up. It's just all around great tool. I said get them from Mr.Coop. Go check him out. Until next time.